The ocean is a world of mystery and darkness. Beneath the waves, in places where sunlight never reaches, strange creatures quietly survive. Some have glowing bodies. Some have transparent heads. Others look like monsters from another planet. For millions of years, evolution has shaped these animals into forms beyond imagination. The blue-ringed octopus may be small, but it is one of the ocean's most venomous creatures. When threatened, bright blue rings flash across its body as a warning. Its powerful toxin can cause paralysis within minutes, making this tiny animal extremely dangerous. The comb jelly